So we're going to talk about the simple and compound meters, which I feel like are a bit odd if you don't really play music that much. So these refer back to the time signatures. Remember, we're told you the how many notes there are in a measure on top and what the notes are that are how many in on the bottom. So duple, triple, and quadruple refer to the number of beats. So duple, triple, quadruple would be which one? The top or the bottom? Be the top note, right? Up here when you write it like that. So simple means that each of these beats can be broken down into two notes, which I feel like would be every note, but let's see what they say. So 2 4 will be simple duple. So duple refers to the top number, the 2, because there's two notes. And simple means that it can be broken down into half of its value. So these two quarter notes can be broken down to 4/8 notes. And so other ones will be like 2 2, because you can break it down into half, and that, because you can break it down. So 3 4 is a simple triple. The triple is because it's a 3 in the top part. So there's 3 beats or notes in the measure. And then simple means you can break it down easily, cleanly into 6/8 notes. So other ones will be like this, where they break down the half note into quarter notes, and there's 3 of them. Or they break down the 3/8 notes into 6/16 notes. So remember 4 4 common time? This is simple quadruple because there's 4 quadruple beats. 1 2 3 4 of quarter notes. In simple because it can be broken down to this. So time signatures will usually have a 2, 4, or 3 on top if it's in simple, because those are just the easier notes to break it down into. So, oh, hang on, let me turn this on. Okay. So what was I saying? So 2, 3, and 4 is simple because they're just pretty easy to break down because there's an even number of notes in it. So beats in compound meters are able to be divided into groups of 3. So 6/8. There's 6 beats and they're each eighth notes. You can't really break them each down into it. So here. So you can group it into threes. So you can either group it into groups of 3s or groups of 2s. This group of 2 would be like 3/4 time just broken down. So I think it says right here. See? So if it has a 6 on top, it's going to be compound. So like, I don't have a mnemonic. Like pound has y plus m. Doesn't make sense. So 6 on top just means compound. So 9/8 is compound. So if it looks funky and it's not like a 2, 3, or 4 on top, it's going to be compound for most of the time. A rule of thumb. So there's 3 beats and they're each a quarter note, a dotted quarter note, and you can break it down into 3 parts. So they're going to be like dotted notes on the top. Because remember, a quarter note adds half of the value. So there's actually a quarter note and an eighth note. And if we break down the quarter note, it's 2/8 notes. So if it has a 9 on top, it's also that. And 12. So pretty much the funky numbers on top are going to be compound. So 6, 9, 12 compound. And 2, 3, 4 simple. Yep. That's all.